Assalomu alaykum, hurmatli o'quvchilar. Bugun ikkinchi darsimizga xush kelibsiz. Bugun biz sizlar bilan he, she, itlarni o'tamiz. Esingizda bo'lsa kerak, o'tgan safar biz I va you'larni o'tgandik. Bugun he, she va itlarni qamrab olamiz. Oldin ham aytib o'tgandim, gaplarni 3 turga bo'lgandik. Positive, negative va questionlarga. Bugun ham xuddi shu tartibda ketamiz. Yana bir qator eslatib o'taman. Subject bu ega, be bu mashhur o'sha to be, am is arlarga bo'linadi. O'tgan safar am bilan arni o'tgandik va phrase fraza degani. Kelinglar endi boshlaymiz. He is John. She is 9. It is a pen. He bu u degani o'g'il bolaga nisbatan. She esa bu u qiz bolaga nisbatan. It bu jonsiz va hayvonlarga nisbatan bu degani. Endi isti qisqartmasi mana bu tarzda bo'ladi. Endi bular tarjima qiladigan bo'lsak, he is John, u John, she is 9, u 9 yoshda, it's a pen, bu ruchka. Xo'p, keling endi keyingi slaydda qisqartirishni batafsilroq ko'ramiz. He is dagi I harfi o'chadi va uni o'rniga apostrophe belgisi qo'yiladi va bu his bo'ladi. She is, she's, it is, it's. Xuddi shu tartibda ketaveradi. Misol uchun, he is Indian, u hindistonlik, he is Indian. She is a school girl, u maktab o'quvchisi, qiz bolaga nisbatan, she is a school girl. It is a pencil, bu qalam, it's a pencil. Endi keling inkorda o'tamiz. Negative. Isga not qo'shib qo'yadigan bo'lsak, bu inkor bo'lib qoladi. He isn't John. Darvoqe, is not qisqartmasi isn't bo'ladi. He isn't John, u John emas. She isn't 9, u 9 da emas. Ya'ni 9 yoshda emas. It isn't a pen, bu ruchka emas. Keling bunga ham ko'proq misollar ko'ramiz. He is not ikki xil tartibda qisqartirsa bo'ladi. He isn't, he is not. Bularning ikkalasi ham to'g'ri. Biz mana bundan foydalanib turamiz. He isn't dan. He is not American. U amerikalik emas. He isn't American. She is not a school girl. She isn't a school girl. It is not a pencil. It isn't a pencil. Xuddi shu tartibda ketaveradi. Endi savollarga keladigan bo'lsak, savollar ham juda ham oddiy. Mana bu yerda he is, bu yerda subject va to be, bularda o'rni o'zgarib qoladi. Is he, it is it. He is a student. Is he a student? It is a desk. Is it a desk? Bu parta, bu yerda esa bu partami? Bularga ko'proq misollar ko'ramiz. Is Mike okay? Mike yaxshimi? Okaymi? Bu yerda Mike o'g'il bolaning ismi. Bu yerga he qo'ysak ham barobar bo'lardi. Is he okay? Is Mike okay? Is Greta from Germany? Greta Germaniyadanmi? Greta bu she. Is she from Germany desak ham bir xil bo'laverardi. Endi bunga ko'proq misol ko'radigan bo'lsak. He is a doctor. Is he a doctor? She is from Uzbekistan. Is she from Uzbekistan? It is a cat. Is it a cat? He is at university. Is he at university? She is an office worker. U office ishchisi. Is she an office worker? U office ishchisimi? It is a mouse. Is it a mouse? Bu sichqon. Bu sichqonmi? Va shu kabi. Endi ularga javoblar qisqa tarzda yes he is yoki no he isn't. Yes she is yoki no she isn't bo'ladi. E'tiboringlar uchun rahmat. Bugungi darsimiz shular edi.